everybody, welcome to Brenda's preschool. So today we're going on a little nature wood through the woods. Will we go see the river?
No.
No, you don't want to see the river?
No.
Let me show you. Look, the river's over here. You hold my hand? Look. See the little, oh, there's a bird. Did you see the bird flying?
Yeah.
There's another one. Wow. Look, there's the river. You have to be very careful, don't you, at the river?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that nice?
Yeah.
Oh, good. And you see all the trees around?
Yeah.
All the leaves? Oh, good. What did you find?
The leaf.
You found a leaf. Wow.
I found the leaf pot.
What color is the leaf?
Leaf pot.
Yeah, that's another leaf. And what color is the leaf in your hand? What's that color?
Blue.
Is it blue?
Yeah?
Yeah. Is it red?
No.
Is it pink?
No.
Is it green?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a green leaf. Let's go find some more, will we?
Yeah.
Yeah, look, there's all different shapes of leaves.
Look. That's a baby one.
Oh, wow, you found a baby leaf. That's a small little baby leaf. Now, can you find a big leaf? Let's go find a big one.
I found a dead leaf.
Oh, that's a bigger one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow. Now let's find an even bigger one. What about over here?
The big.
Look.
Big one.
Is this a bigger one?
No, that's a big one. Over there.
Here's a really big one. Yeah. Do you want to take the big one?
Yeah.
Then you have a big one and a
Green one.
little one. And they're both green, aren't they? Okay, let's go and see what else we can find in the woods. What else can we find in the woods? Oh, you go in and see what else. Oh, look at this, what I see. Look at these. Ooh, what are they? Now, don't touch. What color are they?
Tomatoes.
They're like the same color as tomatoes, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're not tomatoes though. And they're color orange and red. Wow. And look at this here. See these? These are very spiky. And it's called holly.
Holly.
Holly, yeah. That's a holly tree.
Holly tree.
Will we walk and see what else there is?
Yeah.
Okay. What else can we find?
What?
You see the big trees? Big, 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 tall trees.
What the mommy?
Look, I can see the river again. You see it? All the
Yeah.
water.
Yeah.
Mm,
That's
very good.
The rock.
Can you see rocks?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, all the rocks are in the water, aren't they?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, keep looking around and see what else we can find. Look, I see a little flower. You see that little one?
Yeah.
What color is that?
Purple.
Very good, it's a purple flower. Well done. Yeah, what else can we find?
Flower,
We're
mommy.
going to look for a big flower.
Yeah.
As you found a little one, now we need to find a big one.
Yeah.
Hmm.
The big tree.
Let's see. Oh, you found some more leaves?
Wow.
That's like a little branch with little leaves on it. You want to carry that too?
Yeah. That's a spider.
A spider? Uh-oh. Do you like spiders?
Yeah.
You do? That's good. Now, what else?
The other river.
We'll go and have a look at this river.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Be careful walking over the branches. Good girl. More leaves. There's loads of leaves here, isn't there?
Yeah.
Yeah. And I see another little flower. A little purple one. And look, what color is this flower?
Red.
That's a yellow flower.
Yellow flower.
Yellow flower, yeah. We haven't seen any big flowers yet, have we?
Yeah.
Not yet. Oh, look, there's the river. Can you hear the sound of the river?
Yeah. We have to come very slowly.
You have to go very slowly, that's right. Because you don't want to fall, sure you don't?
Yeah.
You have to watch where you're walking.
The penguin.
Can you see a pink flower?
No, that's a penguin.
A penguin?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
You go in the water.
Oh wow, a penguin in the water.
Yeah.
Oh, very good.
Penguin.
I don't think that's a penguin.
Yeah, that's a penguin.
Is it a pretend penguin?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a wiggly.
A wiggly?
Yeah.
I wonder, is there any fish in the water? Do you think there's any fish in the water?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fish.
There might be some fish in the water.
Yeah.
Maybe. Or maybe some frogs. Or some turtles.
What?
Yeah. Do we keep walking?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go and see what else is in the woods.
The other one.
What is it?
That's the avatar.
Ooh.
That's it. It's the beach.
Okay. More fish. Careful. Yeah, stay there and just look. What do you see?
The tower.
A tower?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You see all the sticks are in the water. The wind blew the trees down and they all fell into the river. Didn't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, will we keep walking and see what else there is?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's walk.
Okay. Okay, Mommy. I keep looking at the cupboard.
And you tell me when you see something else.
Water.
More water? Yeah, that all flows all the way down, 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 in under the bridge.
The wind got fallen. The tree got fallen.
Is the tree gonna fall?
Yeah.
I hope not. Only when it's windy it might fall. Yeah, let's keep going.
One.
Oh, another big one. Very good. That's a dirty one, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we won't pick that one up.
Yeah. That's
There's lots of little leaves on the ground. See? But because it was raining, they're all wet. Look what I see. I can see purple flowers in there. They're pretty, aren't they? Can you see them? Don't go too far, you might fall. Just look from here. They're purple flowers.
The purple flowers.
Yeah.
Flowers.
Mm. They haven't grown yet.
Yeah. The other flowers.
Oh, what color are those ones?
The purple.
They're purple. There's lots of purple flowers, isn't there?
The black purple.
Very nice.
That's the black.
Black?
Yeah.
Purple flowers.
No.
Purple flowers by the stream.
What are they? What?
Yeah, walk up the hill.
It's in the mall.
Oh, is it going to start raining?
No.
No, I feel drops of rain.
No.
Can you not feel them?
No.
No, okay. Well, we keep going.
I can't hold.
Keep going, see what else we can see. Oh, look at these ones. See these? These are called nettles. And
Wow.
you don't touch them, because they will sting you. They give you ouchie on your fingers.
Oh.
So we don't touch. Keep your little hands away. We don't want them to get stung. Sure we don't?
Look.
No.
My fingers.
No, he didn't touch them. See, only if you touch them you get stung. But we're not going to touch them, okay? Okay, let's keep going. Walk that way, good.
Keep walking, Mommy.
Okay, I'm coming behind you. What did you hear? Did you hear the birds?
Yeah.
What did the birds say? Look at this tree. Look at this tree. They've got more flowers. Can you see these flowers? Look, they're pink and purple. Would you like one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here you go.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Yeah, that's a pretty flower. You hold that, okay?
Yeah,
And let's go see what else there is. Oh, careful, remember, don't touch nettles. What will the nettles do to you?
Check out.
They will sting your little fingers. Now you've got leaves and a flower. A good little collection. Are you smelling it? See if it smells nice.
I'm not eating them.
Oh no. You don't eat them, sure you don't?
No,
No.
that's not that. No. I'm watching the news.
Oh, can you feel the rain now?
No,
You still can't feel rain?
no,
Oh, Mummy feels rain.
no. We need to walk.
Yeah, you keep walking because we're nearly at the end of the woods.
Yeah.
Yeah. See if you can see anything else before you go. Look. What about these leaves? They're not green, are they?
Yeah.
What color are those leaves?
That's green.
Yeah, those ones are green. But what color is this one?
Yellow.
Very good. That's a yellow leaf. That leaf has lost its color. And look, what color is this leaf? This color?
Blue.
No. Color brown.
Color brown.
Yeah, that's a brown leaf. Now,
Brown.
will we keep walking?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's get to the end of the forest. Do you like the forest?
Yeah.
What do you like in the forest?
The trail.
The what?
The trail.
Do you like the flowers?
No.
And the leaves? And the river? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. You keep walking. Look, we're nearly at the end.
Okay.
Go up the little hill and then we're out of the forest. Are you jumping?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's a big tree.
It is a big tree, isn't it?
And the children enjoying the walks, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Lovely.
Nice for them to
It's
be out.
good for them getting out for a while in the fresh
Oh
air.
yeah, fresh air. Does them good.
Good idea. Great fun. Hello.
You saying hello to the man?
Hello. Oh, look at that lovely hairstyle. Oh, you have lovely hair. Huh? And you have too. You have. Little boy, is it?
Yeah,
Oh, lovely. One of each.
one of each.
Oh, you're doing well, huh? Right, I'll see you later.
Bye.
Need on the way then.
Hmm?
Need on the way.
We keep going this way.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you lose your flower?
Yeah.
Oh, where did your flower go?
Oh.
That's okay. Do you want your leaf back? Look, Mummy was holding your leaf. You don't want it?
No.
Okay. Well, let's keep going then.
Flower.
We'll find another one up here. Look. We look for flower over here. Let's see if we can find any more flowers. We might find a different one.
Oh.
But there's more flowers along the way. When we walk out of the forest, we'll find more flowers as well. Okay? Now, that's the end of the forest walk. Do you want to sit on the rock and have a rest?
Yeah.
Okay. You can sit up on this rock and have a rest. Thank you all for watching our nature walk. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe below. Thank you for watching, everybody. Have a nice day.